How to sell tickets on Square. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to sell tickets such as tickets for concerts or tickets for a booth or tickets for an event. Doesn't really matter. But to be able to do this, simply look over here on the left side of our square over here. Navigate to items and orders. Here we go. Click on items. And now, simply click on create an item. Over here, we have details. Simply enter the necessary information such as name and description. And for your ticket, you can click here as you can see. And you can select whatever type the ticket is. Whether it's a digital ticket or a physical ticket, you can select that as well. Or event over here where you can even sell tickets to events as you can see. So you can change it to that. And now automatically the item that you will be selling is a ticket for that specific event. Then after that, simply click on save and you will be able to save the item that you have added. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.